How to edit text on Canva mobile apps. At first, you will have to open the Canva app on your device. So simply open the Canva app and log in with your account. So like you can see, I have this page to add text here and edit. So simply I'm adding text here. So it will be a heading. So it will be a random name here. Okay, so I have added this random text here. So to edit the text, you will have to click on this text. And from here in the bottom, you will got a lot of options to make changes on this text. Like you can change the font of this text and the text style and font size, color, format, spacing, effect, animation, transparency level, ledge, position, or you can notch. So from here you can choose the specific changes that you want to make on your text. So likewise you can also add the text on Canva mobile app. So hope this video was helpful to you. If any question are arises, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.